Hi everyone, it's Lynsey at Barbour ABI. In today's video, we're going to be looking at exporting out of the platform into either a PDF format or Excel format. So we'll start off first with exporting out into a PDF. So if you want to export into PDF, you're going to need to either be in a list of projects or a list of companies. So we've got a list of projects here. When you're exporting into PDF, you are limited to 50 projects or 50 companies at a time. You can either go to the top of the list here and you can select the top 50 and it's now ticked all of those top 50 projects, or you can manually tick which ones you want to export. So you might only want to export this one, and this one. So I've just ticked 3 projects here. So the 3 are marked with a tick. I can then go to the 3 dots at the top here, and it will give you the option there to download into a PDF. So you just click that. That then takes you into the export page. The download is here. You can see there's 3 records in there, the date you created it. It's just scheduling the download here. I'm going to just click run at the top just to nudge that on a little bit. So it's scheduling the download. It will then say preparing, and then underneath action here, there will be a green link that says download, and you can click there and open the file. So I'm just going to click download. Okay, you'll see at the top there, it's opened the PDF. So you can see there the PDF format, and you can just save that to your computer. So the other way of exporting out is in Excel. So to be able to export out any data into Excel, you need to either have a saved search of projects or companies, or a tag with projects or companies in. So once you have that saved search or tag, you come down the blue bar at the left, and it's this tab here where it says export data. Click into here. You go to the top and you select new export. You then come in and give this export a name. So I'm just going to call this downloaded projects, and then you need to pick there whether it's a saved search that you've created or it's a tag that you're going to export out. So I'm going to export out a saved search. So I'm going to select here, and you'll see all the saved search names come up. So I'm going to download the Midlands commercial search I've got saved there. So it's telling me there's 111 projects, and then just click next at the bottom. This then takes you into this page here where you're going to pick the format that you want it to export out in. At the top, you'll see the default is email merge. So if you don't change anything on here, the format that exports out is a very small Excel. So the default is mail merge. There's only about 7 or 8 columns in it, and it's just enough information for doing mailing with. If you need any more information, if you want things like the company names, the start dates, end dates, the materials on the projects, then you need to switch format by clicking email merge, and you'll see all the different formats here. There are some standard ones. There's downloading for doing a letter mail merge, enough for a contact list, and an email merge format. Just below here, there are 2 custom formats where you can pick what you want. The first is bespoke, and the other one is CRM. So for if you're exporting this to import into a CRM. So if you're wanting to pick your own format, you select bespoke, and then you'll see the 3 options here. You want to download the project information, the companies that are within those projects, and the contacts within those companies associated with those projects. Now, if you just tick these here, it means it will download every piece of information on those projects. So what you can do is each of those will have a drop down on, and every one of those tick boxes there is an Excel header. So you can see there's lots of information in there that you may not need. So you can take the ticks out of anything that you don't need there. Or if I just clear all, it might be all you want is the project ID number, the project title, the county it's in, postcode, start and end date. So you can pick as little or as much information as you need. And again, you can pick what company information you want and how much contact information you want. Now, once you've been through and you've picked that information once, there's an option below to save that as a template. If you download again, you don't have to pick the fields every single time. So I'm going to call this format that I've created here export format 1, and I'm going to click save template. So what that's done now is it's saved that template. You can see there, instead of it saying mail merge. So when you do another download again, so next time you come in and do a download, it will default to look like this email merge. You'll be able to just go into here and pick your own templates, and you can save multiple templates as well. So this is the export format 1, and if you did want to edit any of these at any time, you just click edit and you can change what you want there, or you can delete any of the formats you create. So once you've picked your format here, you then come down a little bit further, you get the option here to pick the roles that you want to include. So there's 111 projects there. If I don't tick any of the roles here, it will download clients, architects, agents, contractors. It will download every role that's on those projects. If you only wanted to pull through any architects or contractors that were on that, it would then just pull those 2 roles through. I'm just going to leave this open, download all the roles. And this section here, for general downloading, you would leave this blank. But if you are going to specifically be doing mail merging with the data, there's options to exclude companies that don't have contacts, exclude contacts that don't have emails, and avoid duplicates if you didn't want a contact name to be pulled through more than once. Once you've selected everything that you need, you click next and it brings you through into your export. There's 111 projects here. Now it is pulling through everything that has matched that saved search we've pulled it through from. So one of the options here is if you're downloading every week, for example, you may only want to, so say you did a last download on the 13th, you might only want to download any projects from the 14th of May to today. And now there's just 33. So you can pick from a date range within the download if you want. Just going to clear those dates. And also you can sort it when it exports out into the Excel. You can have it in the latest order or project value order to export out. So you can pick one of those if you want. And also you can pick if I only wanted to download the top 50 or just the top 100 out of that 111. The maximum you can download is 2,000. So if there was 2,050 projects in that search, the most you would be able to take out in one go would be the first 2,000. And there are options if you're doing mailing with this particular download that you're doing, there's options to mark the project, company or contact as mailed today. And this will allow you to be able to exclude them from any future downloads, and it will also leave a little marker within the project or company. Once you've picked everything there again, you just click export. You can see it's downloaded the Excel sheet here now. So again, you'll see scheduled. This scheduled will change to preparing, and then you'll get the green link at the right to download the file. So you can see at the right now, it's given the download option. So again, I'm just going to click that. You can see it's opened up the Excel sheet there. And then if you just click open the Excel, you've got all of your data in the format that you've picked.
Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about the Barbour ABI platform, don't forget to check out the full training room playlist available via the help button on the platform and on the My Barbour ABI page of our website. If you'd like to book onto one of our training sessions or receive your own bespoke training, just get in touch. Have a great day.